Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to carry on working on the cars. We're replacing this ball joint. The one that's on here has been on since I got the car from brand new, and it's completely worn out. It is riveted onto the control arm, so let me show you those rivets. Okay, so there's three of them, as you can see there, the 1, 2 and 3. So we're going to be drilling them and grinding off the heads to get them out. Start off, let's remove the sway bar link, and then just put that back together. Right, so I've broken the ball joint, and I've started drilling and grinding off the heads of the rivets. I've used the strap just to pull the axle to the side, and also to stop the axle pulling out of the gearbox. As you can see, this ball joint is very loose, knocking around, no more grease in the joint. Say hello to Manga the mechanic. He's just chilling there on the roof, overseeing the operation. No worries in the world. Hey Manga. He's a good kitty cat. Right, let's get back to the job. Right, once you've drilled off the heads of the rivets, or grinded off the heads of the rivets, I use this bearing bearing puller, just to grip around the control arm with the center pushing through on the rivet. Those rivets are in there very tight, and if you don't have a air hammer, I reckon this is the best way to do it. $10 bearing puller will do the job. And there's the rivet. Okay, so I've got all three bolts out. Let's get the new ball joint in. And basically from here we're just going to do the reverse of what we did. I prefer to put the bolts with threads facing up, so you don't get any damage on the threads from anything bouncing up off the road into those threads. So if we need to take them off again in the future, shouldn't have any problem. These bolts just came with lock nuts, but I will, after a couple of weeks, just go through them again and just make sure everything stayed tight. Okay, so get the strap off. Let's get the ball joint back in the knuckle, and then just tighten up the ball joint. Other than the rivets, this is an easy job. You can do this yourself at home on your driveway. I suppose once you've done it once, and it's just a case of removing those nuts and bolts, you get the job done quite quickly. But that bearing puller, that's the secret. Okay, so let's get that all nice and tight, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to get this sway bar link back on, and that's the job done. Remember, there's always a fix. Thanks for watching.